Guys, I'm back with a new video. So in the previous video we learned about the filter method. Now in this video let us learn about a higher order method called as forEach, which is an alternative to our traditional for loops that we have seen in many programming languages. So let us learn about the forEach method. So what I will do is I will define an array of games. So forEach method const, and I will name it as games to play, and inside this I will define a bunch of games that we are interested in playing. So I will say Call of Duty, Road Rash, and The Witcher 3, say Wild Hunt. Now what I need to do is I want to add a something to each game string that we have in our array. So for that, one thing that comes to our mind is a loop, because we need to do something with every string that is defined in our array. So what I need to do is I need to cycle through my array, and for each string that we get while iterating over our games to play array, I want to add something to each string. So let us see the forEach method in action. Now just like the find method that takes a callback function, so here also the forEach method will take a callback function. So I'll say games to play dot forEach, and this callback function will also take three arguments. The first one is the value that you are currently on, so the current value that you are on. Next is the index of the element that you are currently on. Third is the array that is also an optional argument. So index and array are optional arguments, but you do need the current value. Okay, so the value is that is you currently looking at, which in this case is the game, and the index as well as the original array, which are optional arguments. So what I will do is I will say games to play, and for each game, so I'm not using the optional arguments for now, so I will say console.log, and I will say game plus, I'll concatenate, and I will add a string, say outdated. Okay, and now what I will do is I will log the games to play to the console. So back in my browser, let us see the output for this. So now you can see it says Call of Duty hyphen outdated, Road Rash outdated, The Witcher 3 outdated, and we are getting the array back in our log. So this log is coming, these logs are coming from the iteration that we made using forEach, because for each game I appended this text, or I concatenated this text with our existing strings that we had in the array. So we had Call of Duty, and we concatenated outdated string to the Call of Duty, then to the Road Rash, and then to the Witcher 3. Okay, so this is known as the forEach method. So this was all about the video on iterating over the elements of the array using the forEach higher order method. Also, I do have a separate video for array methods where I have even explained them in more detail. The link for that can be found down below. So if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, and please guys, do share the channel with your friends and colleagues. This would give me fuel to keep bringing such content. So please become the source of my motivation, and also you can find the link of our Discord server down below. So let us catch up in the next video.